Hey, welcome guys. In this video I'm doing a review of Dell's wireless wide gig docking station. Now what I find incredibly bizarre is that there's next to no information about this docking station on Dell's website. Not even a model number is listed, but it's actually the WLD15, as in 1.5. So I'll be going over a lot of information that's not listed on the Dell website, including data transfer rates and how does it handle when transferring data and its speed wirelessly over that wide gig signal. Now it uses a 65 watt power adapter and it's weighing in at a light 363 grams. It's measuring in at 12 by 12 by 7 centimeters, which is a little bit larger than expected, but here you can get a better idea how it is compared to my Note 5 cell phone. Now on the top we have a single button which is used to sync this wireless docking station with your Dell laptop, which uses a wide gig adapter. And on the front we have a 3.5mm headphone jack as well as two USB 3.0 ports. Now switching over to the right side, we have a security lock as well as a reset button to remove any synced devices that have been stored on its memory. Over on the back we have ventilation at the top, which is nice, and just below that on the middle left we have a VGA port, which is utterly ridiculous considering that it's supposed to be a wireless docking station which is using advanced modern technology. Where's the display port, a full display port? Where's the DVI port? Why VGA? Really strange. Over on the right we have an Ethernet port. On the bottom left we have an HDMI port, a mini DisplayPort port, two USB 2.0 ports, a USB 3.0 port, and just above that USB 3.0 port we have a speaker output port. And over on the right we have where the power connection is. On the left side we have additional ventilation, and it's so interesting, you'll notice that there's no connection available to connect your laptop to this docking station for power. Now I understand this is a wireless docking station, but let's say if you're on the go quite often and you want to use this docking station for about 8 to 10 hours, you're going to have to reach under your desk and connect your laptop power to your power bar. Unfortunately, there's no connection from this wireless docking station to your laptop to recharge it. So if you have to leave then right away, you're going to have to reach under your desk, unplug your laptop power, and then go. That should have been available for a power connection to the docking station. Now unfortunately, Dell does not provide any information if this wide gig adapter is compatible with non-Dell laptops. However, the only thing Dell has told publicly is that you need a minimum of an Intel 5th gen processor or newer. You need an Intel tri-band AC17265 wireless adapter or newer, and that mentioned wireless wide gig adapter. Now the data being transmitted wirelessly to the docking station is encrypted with IEEE 802.11 technology. Now my particular laptop that I'll be using with this wireless docking station is a Dell Latitude E7470, which does actually meet all those requirements thankfully, and you can find a review of this laptop in the video description. Now connecting the wireless docking station to your laptop is incredibly easy. All you have to do is install the correct Intel software, which is instructed in the instruction manual that comes out of the box. Connect your monitor to your docking station, then use the provided Intel software. It'll automatically detect your docking station, click connect, and you're set to go. It's as easy as that. Unfortunately, such technology is not without its bugs. You see, when your computer goes to sleep or if you close the lid and then open it back up, you will get presented with this error message that the wide gig docking station is not responding, which is unfortunate, and the only way to fix it is to reboot your laptop and then connect again, which actually defeats the entire purpose of having a docking station for connectivity and reliability and that convenience factor. Now I just wanted to demonstrate you guys what I have in my testing environment. As you can see, my laptop is connected to nothing. There are no wires anywhere connected to my laptop, and I'm just going to swipe behind the laptop to show you guys there's no connection between the laptop and the docking station. And the monitor on my laptop is connected through the 4K monitor that I have to the docking station. As you can see, I'm able to send that window in between both monitors. This is how seamless it works when it is working properly. It's a pretty nice experience. So in my testing, I was successfully able to connect two external monitors with this docking station and have my own laptop monitor open. So basically I have three monitors, including the laptop screen, running at the same time in conjunction with the wireless docking station. Now I wanted to test out 4K footage because Dell kind of put some emphasis that yeah, this can handle 4K. What I'm actually playing is a YouTube video off a laptop, and it's presenting my 4K video wirelessly to the 4K monitor that I have, and it works great. It's buttery smooth. 4K playback over this wireless connection is amazingly smooth. In terms of angles in which direction it has to be pointing in, it does a fairly good job. So right now I'm about 4 feet away from the docking station and it works just fine, but when I turn it 90 degrees so the monitor is not facing the docking station, I get this warning prompt saying the signal is running a little weak. That doesn't mean it stopped, it's still working, but it's something to consider that you should be within a 90-degree angle pointing to the docking station. Now, it's been mentioned by Dell that you need direct line of sight, so I wanted to test this. So I'm going to stand 4 feet away, and this time I'm going to place a box much larger than the docking station in front of it, so it's blocking the line of sight connection, and it works just great. I'm not even getting that warning that the signal is running pretty low. So I wanted to test out data transfer speed. So what I've done is actually taken my USB 3.0 stick and connected it to the docking station, and the docking station is about a foot away from my laptop, and I'm transferring the data from a USB stick on the dock to the laptop, and I'm averaging between 80 to 100 megabytes of speed, and for a wireless signal, that's very impressive. When connecting a keyboard and mouse for the first time to the docking station, I noticed it took almost 10 minutes for the drivers to install, but after that I was set to go. Now I do notice that when using the keyboard or mouse, there's zero input lag time, so basically when I'm moving the mouse, there's no delay on the screen. When I'm typing, there's also no delay at all. Okay, so this time I'm standing about 20 feet away. That's where you kind of see the laptop on the top left corner, just kind of at a glance. And what I wanted to do is basically see how kind of range can I get. And I'm still able to transfer a picture, between both the laptop screen and my 4K monitor. So I'm shifting this window in between the laptop screen and the 4K monitor itself. And I did get a bit of a warning prompt saying that, hey, the signal is running a little bit slow, but I'm still able to transfer that window in between each monitor, and I'm still getting zero lag. And in terms of power, there is no power button on this device. The docking station is constantly on and ready to be used. You can't turn it off. So what Dell has accomplished with this docking station is actually really impressive. You got some great range on it. Turn the laptop 90 degrees, so it's not actually pointing at the docking station, which doesn't work too well. But it didn't lose a connection. I was actually impressed about that. Putting a box in front of the docking station so the line of sight between the laptop and the docking station was still able to receive a signal. And of course, then there's that data transfer speed of a USB 3.0 stick transferring data between the laptop and the USB 3.0 speed. The weird thing is that it seems to be majority of the issue with software bugs. So if the laptop goes to sleep, it seems as though 90% of the time it'll cause an error, and then you gotta restart your laptop to reconnect and make it work with the docking station. I know the concept is to have it wireless to your laptop, but what about that charging port? Why can't I recharge my laptop and just connect it to the docking station? It's extremely convenient that way, but I can't do it though. Overall, for the most part, it does a great job. This is like the way the technology should be going, and it's in the right direction. It's great for presentation meeting rooms, I believe. You can just kind of transfer the signal to someone else. You can just present wirelessly, but it still has some bugs to work out. But that's pretty much my review of Dell's newest wireless docking station. I hope you guys found this video useful. Be sure to check out the review of the E7470, the laptop that I used to communicate with this wireless docking station. You can find a link to that review video in the video description. Hit that like button, it does help. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.